Wouldn't it be nice if you could extend those perfect salon blowouts for an extra day or 2 or even 3?
Hi dolls, I'm Joico Brand Ambassador Larisa Love, and sometimes we all need to take it easy, our hair included.
That's why Joico created Weekend Hair Dry Shampoo, to give your hair a mini vacay from your daily routine. You can enjoy the convenience of clean, fresh smelling hair for up to 3 full days. This dry shampoo works overtime, so you don't have to. It instantly and invisibly eliminates oily roots while infusing hair with airy, just wash volume, velvety softness, and sensational freshness that lasts day after day. Weekend Hair also helps preserve hair color's vibrancy for twice as long when used in place of regular shampoo every other wash. A blend of ultrafine oil absorbers produce an invisible mist that purifies, making dry cleansing hair a sheer joy. A revolutionary encapsulated fragrance technology releases the creamy fruity floral scent that makes hair smell irresistibly clean and fresh. Shake the can well, then hold the can 8 to 10 inches away from your scalp. Spray it lightly for even coverage. For all over fullness, you can spray the mid-shaft as well. Massage the product into the scalp area and through your hair length. This helps to instantly absorb excess oil on the scalp. Now look at that volume. Her strands look and feel totally clean, and I just love the fragrance.
For more on the latest and greatest Joico products, be sure to subscribe to Joico's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.